Stop for a moment. Gently touch your face. Does your skin still feel firm, smooth, and youthful? Or have fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging slowly started to appear? If you've noticed these changes, you're not alone. What if I told you that many expensive creams, luxury serums, laser treatments, and cosmetic injections don't address the real cause of aging skin? The real solution begins beneath the surface. Inside your skin are two powerful proteins, collagen and elastin. They keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. But aging, poor nutrition, pollution, and UV rays gradually weaken them. Our first oil is castor oil, affordable yet incredibly unique. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, helping your skin retain moisture and appear softer, fuller, and healthier. If you have oily skin, grapeseed oil is an excellent choice. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and is packed with powerful antioxidants that help defend your skin from daily environmental stress. Rosemary oil isn't just for hair. When properly diluted, it can help improve circulation, leaving your skin looking fresh, healthy, and naturally radiant. Jojoba oil is unique because it's actually a liquid wax that closely resembles your skin's natural oils. It hydrates dry skin, balances oily skin, and won't clog pores. Now comes the star ingredient, Bakuchiol. It's becoming well known as a plant-based alternative to retinol because it can help improve the appearance of fine lines while being gentler on many people's skin. If your skin feels dry, thin, or fragile, Evening Primrose Oil may help nourish your skin barrier thanks to its rich gamma-linolenic acid content. Natural skincare isn't about overnight miracles. Give your routine 4 to 8 weeks. Drink plenty of water, eat nutritious foods, sleep well, and always patch test any new skincare product before using it regularly. If you found these skincare tips helpful, share this video with someone who deserves to feel confident in their skin. Like, subscribe, and join us for more science-inspired natural health and beauty tips.